So the chairman of the newly formed Professional Football of Jamaica Limited, Mr. Christopher Williams, is so far saying all the right things as they relate to the plans for the local Premier League. Listen.
We are in very good negotiations with a number of entities, and these entities have recognized the attractiveness of the league, especially in this environment where people will be at home and be consuming content, whether it be on their phones or on their iPads or on their televisions or on the radio. People are consuming content. And this is one content that they are very attracted to. And the sponsors know that. So we're working through the details with the sponsors, but we're very confident that our commercial value has been identified and will be bought.
And look, it gets no more credible than Christopher Williams when it comes to business and investments, and in this case, sponsorship. But this is hardcore Jamaican football we are talking about. Not stocks and bonds and real estate and pension schemes. The fact of the matter is that lip service been killing local football for years. To this day, the corporate scorn continues. Right now, the league don't even have a sponsor. So let me say this. If Mr. Williams and his team can get the kind of meaningful partnerships from corporate Jamaica that the football needs, me personally will nominate Mr. Williams for national hero. Deal, Mr. Williams, yes, me personally will nominate.